Do you like coconut shrimp, but without all the carbs, sugar, and unhealthy fat? Well, you should definitely try our baked coconut shrimp appetizer. These shrimp are breaded with our homemade almond flour special blend of breadcrumbs and with unsweetened coconut that you can either bake or fry in an air fryer for a crispier coating. Coconut shrimp is an appetizer that's sure to get you pampered up for your meal, or you can transform it into your meal. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take international and traditional dishes and drinks and transform them to healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to the end to discover more of our amazing healthy recipes and appetizers just like this one. Although it appears that coconut shrimp doesn't have a definitive place of origin of where it came from, it most certainly has an island tropic flavor to it, and it most likely originated somewhere in the Caribbean. Now you can eat these shrimp by themselves, or you can pair it with a nice dip or sauce like a pina colada sauce or a Thai chili sweet sauce. And I leave it up to you based on your diet and preference of which one you go with. You could also, of course, substitute where need be to make it more friendly to the diet that you're on. Just thinking about these coconut shrimp makes my mouth water. So let's not wait any longer, shall we? Let's get started.